Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is just a normal regular process video and I decided to use this sketch and it is from scrapbook.com. It looks like it is an actual scrapbook.com layout sketch. Yeah, I guess it's just under their sketches. It looks like a serendipity sketch is what it looks like. So I decided that while I was scrapbooking, or actually I was Zooming with some of my friends, we do this on a Friday and Saturday nightly. It is set up on an Eastern Standard Time zone. I do every once in a while on Saturdays start up a Zoom in the afternoon. Either myself or my good friend Fran will start them up, or Bree. Depends on whoever is up and available. I make sure that they can get in there, and then y'all can scrapbook if I am not available, because I do work on the weekends as well. I am one of those crazy people that thinks that they got to have like 35 jobs and, you know, all of that jazz, right? So I am Zooming with them, so you'll see me kind of stop every once in a while and whatever. But we do it on a nightly, on a weekly basis because, we have found that through the craziness of what's going on in the world, and we all have this common goal and this common thing called scrapbooking, we all decided to kind of make ourselves accountable to where we are together and we scrapbook and we chat and we make sure that all of us are not alone, because we are not alone. We all are doing all this fun stuff, learning and having fun and scrapbooking, getting those layouts done and all that jazz. So with that all being said, if you are interested, my group will be linked down below. It's called My Scrappy Life. You can definitely find yourself over there and join. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you were able to find me. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I do traveler's notebooks, which I definitely need to get back into, but I do them. Traveler's notebooks, 12 by 12 layouts, collaborations, regular process videos, and then also, of course, my design teams that I am on. Now, I absolutely love how this turns out. So this one actually is the second page, believe it or not, to the complimentary page that I made for the telephone hop. The Secret Not Secret Kit Club is doing one last telephone hop going forward, that in March you will see what... you will see it for the last time, and then we'll see what depends on what happens then. But I was first on it, so obviously I'm not going to show you that layout until March. But in the meantime, I have this particular layout that is going to go next to it, and it is of the axe room that we have. It's called the axe room. It's part of one of our escape room area, and we absolutely love it. It is so much fun to do. Josh didn't really want to do it, and so I found my good friend Michaela, and Michaela and I went, and we were exhausted. Like, we can go for a full hour, but we were exhausted, kid you not, exhausted by the end. But the 2 photos of Michaela and I are our first bullseye that we ever made. And then the spot where we put the axes in is the other photo. And it all ties in together. Now, once you see the other layout, I know you may not remember probably this one, but they do work together. I use the same collection. The collection is called, it's from Vicky Booten. It's the Storyteller collection, Storyteller, something like that. That's a little bit about that. I am going to edge with my pewter from Close to My Heart, just to kind of give that little bit of a vibe to it, I guess. little bit of texture. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. I hope that you guys are having a wonderful time. I am definitely in, let's see here. We are in our second week of being open in the new year. Yippee yippee. I'm glad, but I'm kind of scared at the same time, you know. Flu season is very, very heavy right now, especially for us because we don't get cold a lot. So we're battling quite a bit of stuff ultimately, and we all know this. We are also just trying to stay safe and be open. Valentine's is next week, and I have a ton of fun stuff planned. I always do. I just love doing school. It's just so much fun. The kids enjoy it too. I got quite a bit planned for the kiddo widows. I've got the history behind Valentine or St. Valentine. I've also got just little random things for them to do. And then on top of it, I'm making sure that they still learn their fractions and all that. I've got conversational hearts for them to do their math for fractions and just all different fun stuff. And I hope that you guys are all having, I know we're only a couple days into February, and we're only in the second month of the year, but I hope that 2021 is better than 2020, I guess, for you. I mean, for me, it didn't bother me too much, but it is what it is. But, yeah, it's been going good. Josh is on the 6th, and I think we'll be super close of getting to the 6th by the time this goes up. And then Josh will be 2 months down. 10 more months to go. Yippee yippee. But yeah, that's a little bit of life for me, I guess. Not too much grand going on. But yeah, just make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you a part of my YouTube family. I have an amazing set of members here. I try to comment almost on, or I try to comment on everything that I possibly can for you guys. I may be a little bit late behind, but I do try to stay up on them and make sure that you guys know that I still love y'all. I always do. I always will. Let's see here. I'm just going through the stickers. Obviously, you guys pretty much kind of know how a lot of this goes. I just do a little digging and dabbing and blobbing and whatever else you want to call it. And just have, all these different little trinkets and pictures and photos, or the picture, not pictures, stickers and all that kind of stuff in there. Telling you, Vicky Booten and her stuff is just so big. Ay, ay, ay. I'm just adding all these flowers. I think they're a really good touch to this layout, because even though that we're girls, we're still fierce, but it works out perfect. And you know what? As much as I looked at this, I forgot to put a title down. But ultimately, you all know what it is. It's axe throwing. I really don't need a title per se, but I forgot to do that. I do get out some thread and I put it in 3 different places, or two different places. Definitely the still shots are at the end of this, and make sure that you check out my group. I would love to have you part of my family over there too. If you are on Facebook, I would definitely love to have you. We would love to have you for Zoom as well. If you can join, great. If you can't, we understand. but it would be so much fun. I do tons of stuff over there, not just for Close to My Heart. I do, everybody posts over there. We chat, we talk. I do obviously post for Close to My Heart, but I'm never pushy for any of that stuff, obviously. I just like to build my little group. And then this is kind of it. I'm just finishing up the little bits and bobs here and there, adding a embellishment here and there, and in between. And then I come in with my splatters. My splatters is Tuscan Sun. No. Sunset Strip. That's what I'm using. I do add some butterflies and some hearts, and then that's about it. I hope that you enjoyed this process video. Make sure you like and subscribe. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I do traveler's notebooks, design team layouts, 12 by 12s, and just regular process videos, along with collaborations. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.